Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and fun deco mesh wreath with items from the dollar store. What you will need is a wreath ring, and I believe they're 14 inches. Yes. Deco mesh, which is 6 inches in width. And I have gray, white, and red, and I have 2 of each of these 3 colors. And then I have sparkly Chanel stems. So cute. Then I have scissors and a rotary cutter. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is take your deco mesh and cut it into 8 or 9 inch long pieces. I'm going to get all of that cut, and again you can use scissors, or a rotary cutter would be a little faster for you. The easiest and fastest way to cut a large amount of deco mesh is like so. Again, if you're okay with cutting it each separately, you can definitely do that. But this way it's just a little faster. I'm going to layer all the colors on top of each other. And there we go. There you go. And then I just roll them out. The hardest part will be keeping it unrolled. Just like that. Then my scissors. Just like that. So that way I'm cutting all 3 colors at once. Just like that. So now I've cut 3 in the time it takes to cut 1. Then just gonna do the exact same thing again. Just like that. Alright, so I'm going to get all of my pieces cut, and then we'll move on to the next step. Alright, so I have all of my deco mesh cut. Next thing I'm going to do is take one of each of the 3 colors. Have the silver, and I'm going to roll it. Just like this. You can roll it to where it's like loopy on both ends, or you can roll it at a diagonal where it's like pointy. And then I'm just gonna roll all this. Alright, so there we go. I have all 3 colors rolled. Just going to scrunch, take the Chanel stem and twist it around the deco mesh just a couple of times, just like that. And I'll show you one with all 3 are rolled. Let's see. Okay, so I'll roll this one just like that. Roll this one and roll the 3rd one. Okay. And then scrunch all of them just like that. Take another Chanel stem and just twist it around just like that. So you're going to do this for all of your deco mesh, and then we're going to place it on the ring. Alright, so I have completed all of my bundles. I ended up using 1.5 rolls of each of my 3 colors. So 1.5 in red, 1.5 in gray, 1.5 in white. And that's cutting them in 8 inch long pieces. And I just mixed up the way that I rolled them. Some I have spiked, some are little curls. And I just figured that'd be the cutest, having a mixture of all of them. So I have a total of 30 bundles. My wreath ring has 6 sections, so I'm going to place 5 bundles in each of the 6 sections for my total of 30. Alright, let's start placing the bundles. So all you do is you place the Chanel stems around the inner 2 rings, just like that. Then you're just going to twist it tight a couple of times, and then you can adjust it. The more bundles you get in place, then you'll be able to adjust it a little bit better. but it's as simple as that. So I'm going to place another. There we go. And twist it in place. Just like that. And it'll start to take form and make shape the more you add. So again, place it on the inner 2 rings. You're going to twist it just like that and push it over. Again, 5 bundles for each of my 6 sections for a total of 30. You could do 6 bundles for each section for a total of 36. Alright, so I have completed one section, and this is how it looks. That's just one of 6 sections. So it's already cute, fluffy, and fun. I'm going to finish the other sections and show you how it looks. Alright, I am all done. Now I'm just like fluffing up the sections, making sure all the chenille stems are not showing. It's so cute, simple and sweet. Look at that. Such a cute wreath. Okay, and then let me show you the back. So the chenille stems are like this. You can just twist them down into each other all the way around. Like that. Just so they're not sticking up. Alright, so I just have the back twisted down just like that. And then this is the top. So cute and fluffy, oh my goodness. And this is such a quick and easy and simple wreath, but it looks so cute. And you can just change the colors to fit whatever occasion. And you are all done.